Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the switch here and of course the switch 2 that is, and I'll be showing you how to adjust your switch between the three modes of play. Now the three modes of play is docked, tabletop, and of course you have portable mode. Alright, so we're going to look at each and how to switch between every one of them. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So here I have the switch. And of course, this is the main unit. And I'm going to place the switch into docked mode. All right, so in order to place it into dock mode, I have the dock already connected to the TV. I have tutorials on this. It's my Samsung TV. You simply place it into the dock. There you go. It simply turns off the display. And of course, once it turns off the display, all you got to do is to get your controller. Here I have my controller. So I'm going to use it like this. So you have that on there ready. You're going to get your TV remote. Then we're going to switch over sources to the game. All right, so here we go. We're on the game. And as you can see, the display is up. And all we got to do from here. All we got to do from here is go ahead and you're now in docked mode. All right, for this mode, it's best to have the controller. So you're going to go ahead and fit it up. There you go. Now, dock mode is great for the best in terms of a large display. Hooking it up to your TV so you can actually play games traditionally. Here you go. The Switch 2 controller is set up by placing the Joy-Cons on either side of this dock. And of course, now you can actually play your games. All right, so all I have to do is go ahead and launch one of these games that I have here, and we can play on your TV like a traditional console. The next mode, guys, is tabletop mode. So of course you'll have to undock the Switch 2. And of course, with the Joy-Cons disconnected, what you're gonna do is from here, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna lift the kickstand. Sorry about that. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the kickstand at the back of your device. And of course, the stand is right here. I have this in the opposite way. And of course, there's a gap here. You're going to go ahead and lift. And this is a metal stand. It's very firm. All right, so here we go. And all you got to do is place this on a desktop or anywhere such as a coffee table. You can go ahead and you don't need a TV. So of course, a coffee table. There's a section where you and a friend or the kids and their friends can just find a corner. For this, you can go ahead and disconnect the Joy-Cons. All right, so once you disconnect the Joy-Cons, you have the option that you can go ahead and play. Some people likes to play like this. So as you can see, we can control the games and you have your nice display to go ahead and play with, all right, which is very nice. Now you can also play two-player, meaning you can set up both controllers. Friend can have one, you can have one, all right? And of course, you'll play two-player games, which is way more fun. And of course, you can control, for example, in Mario Kart, you can have a two-player race with you and a friend. Next, the last mode is, of course, the portable mode. So of course the stand goes back down, so simply bring it back down. And of course, while you're holding the console, go ahead and connect these so they'll snap right into place. And this mode, which we're gonna do now, there you go, is referred to as portable mode. Now of course, this one you use on the go, you can enjoy your games. And of course, it's very nice because you can simply enjoy your games wherever you are, whenever you find some time. And of course, you can pop this out of your case and then you can go ahead and play your favorite game. And when you're finished, you can place it back into your case. So those are the three usage modes of your Switch 2. All right, so that's TV mode. There is when it's docked. There is tabletop mode, where of course you place it on a table surface and you can actually play. All right, and the third mode and last mode, which I showed, is the portable mode in which you can enjoy your games as you're seeing here, where you can actually just play it as a handheld device. All right, so the Switch 2, very flexible, very fun device, and of course very creative by Nintendo. All right, so that's it for this one, guys. So see you in the next one. Bye.